The visa for temporary skilled shortage in Australia can help employers ease the labor shortfall by bringing in competent migrants thanks to the short-term stream. You must fulfill specific conditions in order to be eligible for this visa, such as having the backing of an authorized sponsor and being nominated for a job that is included on the short-term skilled occupation list. To be eligible for this visa, you must also meet the necessary requirements in terms of job history, education, and skills. During the validity of the visa, you can study, travel to and from Australia as often as you like, and, if qualified, apply for permanent residency. How long can you stay in Australia on the short-term stream? You can remain in Australia for as long as your company nominates you with this temporary visa. The maximum duration will depend on the specific ITO that applies to your situation, although in most situations, you can stay for up to 2 years or up to 4 years. Your employer must submit a fresh nomination if your visa is about to expire and you wish to continue working for them in Australia. Under Employer Nomination Scheme Subclass 186, your employer could be eligible to sponsor you for permanent residence. You can use the Department of Home Affairs visa search to see whether you qualify for any other skilled work visas. Eligibility requirements for the 482 short-term stream. You have to fulfill the following criteria in order to be qualified for the short-term stream of the temporary skill shortage visa. 1. Have completed the prior visa requirements, be at least 18 years old, and if applying in Australia, possess the proper visa. 2. Have your employer recommend you be nominated by an authorized sponsor and possess the necessary training, experience, and credentials to carry out your occupation. 3. Have at least 2 years of experience in your chosen sector of employment or a closely comparable one, and if required, possess a positive skills evaluation. 4. Be a legitimate temporary entrant, have health insurance, and satisfy the character and health standards. PR pathway and other criteria for 482 short-term visas. In just 2 years, as a temporary skills shortage visa, Subclass 482 short-term stream holder, you will be qualified for an application for permanent residency provided you keep your job with the sponsoring employer. Previously, applications for the Subclass 186 temporary residence transition stream could only be made by holders of Subclass 482 visas in the medium-term stream and labor agreement stream. In order to be eligible for this visa, candidates must have at least 2 years of work experience in the nominated occupation or a closely comparable field and be nominated for a skilled position by an authorized sponsor. Unless there are specific exceptions, applicants must work only for their sponsor, pass any required relevant skills assessments, and, in most situations, meet English language proficiency criteria. What are the frequently asked questions? The following are some of the frequently asked questions under the 482 short-term stream visa. 1. What documents do I need? You will require a few crucial documents in order to apply for this particular category of employer-sponsored visas. It is recommended that you organize the documents pertaining to your work experience, identity, character skills, health evaluation, and English proficiency. 2. Do I need a skills assessment? You would have to undergo a skills evaluation as part of the TSS visa application procedure if your specified occupation demands it. For information on this category and the kind of assessment needed, please refer to IMI 18/039, Mandatory Skills Assessment, Subclass 482 Visa. Should you be qualified, you will have to go through a skills evaluation administered by VetAssess or Trades Recognition Australia. 3. Is health insurance mandatory for a TSS visa? You must have sufficient health insurance in order to apply for a TSS visa, and if you are an applicant for a primary or secondary visa, you will be responsible for paying for your own medical insurance while in Australia. Medically essential care, including transportation, should be covered by your health insurance, and several countries have mutual health care agreements with Australia. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching.